pretty good. Got the timing set, just playing with the jets, get it next to right. Idle's a little high. Okay, I don't know if you could see that the bike was not following the adjustments to the pilot jet over here. So we're going to go into that pilot jet again, which we just cleaned a few minutes ago, and see if we can get this guy. He should be about 1 1/4 out when he's perfect, right about there. And he wasn't following the idle jet at all. So we're going to take that out and shoot some cleaner through the carb and see what happens. All right, we took the pilot jet out and cleaned it on the right hand. We actually took them both out and cleaned them, put them back in, set them for 1 1/2 starting point, started the bike, turned them in about a 1/4 turn each, and we got a really good idle and good off throttle. Idling right around about 900 RPM. That's wonderful. Looks good, sounds good, fondles good. We're going to finish dressing it out. Anything else you think of?
No.
All right, we're going to dress it out. All right, we're starting the dressing out process, and we got ready to put the battery strap on the battery, and found out that this plate under here that the battery strap attaches to is backwards. This part is supposed to be in the back, and the plate with the notch is supposed to be in the front, and I don't know if it's part of the box, or we may have to take the whole box out and flip it around.
Yeah, that's all. It's just those two, and then turn it.
Yeah, because that has to be backwards. Or the other way around. Okay, so that's what you're going to do. In the meantime, I'm going to come up here and open the headlight and reverse the wires on the ammeter, because it's working backwards. It's showing discharge when it's charging, and vice versa. So I'm going to do that. All right, it's 10:35 going on 10:40. I have a dentist appointment at 11 o'clock, so I'm running out of here. The bike is dressed out as far as we can go. Kevin will test ride it tomorrow, and it's running pretty good. We don't have this side cover, that's fine. Battery's in place and held down. I swapped the wires on the ammeter, it should work normally. And bike starts and runs pretty good on the bench. when we do a test ride, we'll see what else we see. Okay, so that's where we are.